This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the front panel. Then locate the end of the prop into the slot on the bonnet underside. The engine oil level dipstick and filler caps are often brightly coloured for easy identification. Pull out the level dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw it again and examine the oil level. The minimum and maximum levels are indicated on the dipstick. If the level is below or near the minimum mark, topping up is necessary. Rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add the correct grade of engine oil to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Check the level on the dipstick frequently and do not overfill. Approximately 1 litre will raise the level from the minimum mark to the maximum mark. With the level correct, refit the filler cap and reinsert the dipstick. The coolant expansion tank is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The coolant level varies with the temperature of the engine. When the engine is cold, the coolant level should be slightly above the CALT or cold mark on the side of the tank. When the engine is hot, the level will rise. If topping up is necessary, slowly unscrew the filler cap to allow any residual pressure to escape. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The brake fluid level reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The fluid level must be between the maximum and minimum marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, clean the area around the top of the reservoir and unscrew the filler cap. Using a funnel and tube will help reduce spillage. Add new .4 fluid from the sealed container. With the level correct, mop up any spilled fluid and securely refit the filler cap. The screen wash fluid reservoir filler cap is located at the front of the engine compartment. Pull up the filler cap and add a mixture of screen wash additive and water. Close the filler cap. The power steering fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The level should be checked with the engine cold. Wipe clean the reservoir and filler cap, then unscrew the filler cap from the top of the reservoir. The filler cap has a bayonet fitting and has a dipstick incorporated into it. Refit the filler cap and withdraw it again. Examine the oil level on the dipstick. The maximum and minimum levels are indicated by ridges on the dipstick. If topping up is necessary, use a funnel to reduce spillage. Add the correct fluid a little at a time, frequently checking the level with the dipstick. With the level correct, securely refit the filler cap. Clip the prop to the front panel. Close the bonnet firmly and check it secure.